Kunita means it's a ritual dance. So today, one of the record hold person from Karnataka, Mr. Chandrasekhar, is going to perform the dance because he belongs to a team called Sambrama. This is one of the best team who, who are in Karnataka, because every year when they have some festival, there will be a lot of teams who takes place in this dance, and the team Sambrama is one of the best. And we are having a record holder person to perform this dance, Mr. Chandrasekhar. And this dance is all about praising the Lord. Okay, praising the Lord, Chamundeshwari. And we will just welcome our artist, by giving a big round of applause. And then I'll be telling you a little bit interesting things about this dance as well as about the people. So let's welcome the artist by giving a big round of applause. Come on, Eniva. Okay, I'll introduce my artist, Mr. Chandrasekhar. Giving a big round of applause. Mr. Chandrasekhar is going to be a masterpiece of this dance. Of course, the others are also very important, but this dance, unlike other dance, this is going to be a one-man show. The others will be playing the instruments, and one person will be there to help out him, and he will be otherwise a one-man show. And other person, Mr. Suresh, he is going to help Chandrasekhar. And Bettappa will be playing an instrument called the Nagari. Have you seen this instrument anywhere before? Yeah. It's being followed from very ancient time itself. In the olden days, if they want to gather the whole villagers in one particular area, one of the person, he just play this nagari, and whole villages, they will gather. It's like giving a message to gather in one particular area. And Bhairappa, Mr. Bhairappa will be playing an instrument called nagari. Okay, and very interesting thing about this dance is nothing but the dance name itself says Puja Kunita. Okay, and it's all about this frame. Mr. Chandrasekhar is going to balance such a big frame on his head, and to recognize this frame as a temple, there should be something left, no? So it's nothing but, you can see usually the temples are completely, 7 temples, and in the middle of that flowers, you can see a face. Face of a god, that is Chamundeshwari god. So can anyone say that what will be the weight of this structure, frame?
5 to 6 kg.
5 to 6? 15? 15, okay, very close but not exactly.
20?
25, 20.
Okay, so you all are going 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. At last you will
20 or 25?
25. It is roughly about 30 kilos. Yes, 30 kilos. So Mr. Chandrasekhar is going to balance 30 kilos on his head, and he's going to perform the whole dance. So the whole thing is he's actually balancing the whole structure on his head, and then he is performing the dance. And in their place, actually, whenever they perform this dance, the weight of the structure, it will be even more heavier than how it is now. It will be sometimes more than 35 kilos, and these people continuously they will just play, and finally when they stop the dance, the particular person who is dancing with this structure, he will gain a kind of a spiritual power, and he will be ready to solve any problem, and you have to just go and confess with him, and finally he will give some solution. So that's what the people, they believe. And today he is not going to gain any kind of a ritual power, because it is just a dance, but still it is more of a ritual and very holy you are going to entertain, and it is not going to be more entertaining, unlike other exotic dance, like belly dance, whatever dance you get to see in the cities. It's not going to be like that. It is more of ritual dance. At Evolve Back Resort, you should be observed one more thing, that every day we are having a program which is something related to our land, isn't it? You're not getting to see anything like DJs and exotic dance and all. For what reason? Because we are theme-based resort. In India, if you take account, there are few resorts which are running on theme-based resort, and we strive to give you a land of origin experience. Because our theme is the spirit of the land. Yes, we are here to give you exquisite holiday experience while preserving the purity of nature and the culture of the land. And inline that are most of the activities and cultures, so it's are modified where the guest is getting that experience of local. So that is what very important. When you go back to your place, you have to take it as an experience. Nothing exotically like luxury stay, because luxury stays, if you are staying in Oberoi or Taj, you are definitely going to get. But when you go or when you come to such kind of a remote place, taking back some interesting experience is more important. So that's why today we have this Puja Kunita dance, and let's welcome the dance once again by giving a big round of applause, and let's welcome the first sequence. Thank you.